Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have BELKIN SoundForm Rise and I'm going to tell you how can you easily change ear tips. At first we have to take our earbud and unwing our ear tip. Just like that. You have to be very careful and it has to look like that. Now you have to pull it to your side. As you can see now, it's done. Now we have to take a new one. For example, this one. It's the same one, but you can take the different one, of course. And now you have to unwing your ear tip the same. Now the unwinged tip you have to pull straight onto your speaker, but not with much strength. You have to do it very carefully. And that's it. That's the left one, and as you can see it works the same on the right one, as you can see. Unwinging, pulling to our side, taking new one of course, and pulling onto the speaker. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.